Alright, welcome back to my daily Leetcode problem. The Leetcode problem is the stability of my commitment and is counting the number of special character 1. We are given a string called words and a letter is called special if it appears both in lower and uppercase in words. So we have written the special letters in words in count. So let's check the assignment together. Here in assignment 1, we are given like a words called AA and capital A, BC and capital BC. So according to their given information, we have seen that the answer is written as output 3. Let's try to break down what is the meaning of that. So we have A, B, C, and BC. So we can see that there's one capital A, one capital B, and capital C. And then we can also notice that small b, small c, and small a. So if these two are overlapped each other, we can count that as a 1. So at end, it becomes 3. That's the meaning of the assignment 1, and then they return 3. What about assignment 2? So in assignment 2, there's only small letters and there's no capital letters and they're returning the 0. How about the assignment 3? So in assignment 3, we can see there's one small b and then capital B. And then, and then there's only capital C and there's no small c. That's why I only return the 1. I think that is a very tiny limited data set because in the constraint of the given question, we can see like the words will only consist of letter of lower and uppercase English letter. So we can scope that in the just 52 characters because from A to Z for small letter is only 26 and multiplied by 2 became the 26 multiplied by 2. Sorry, my brain is not properly functioning. And that's total 52. So let's try to solve the thing first. I was thinking of changing the words into the character first. Array of what? And then what comes to my mind is how about I keep track of the capital and small character set. And then we can use the intersection, which is a given method by the given property of the set. Let's call capital set, which is a character, because if we convert the string into the array, that will become the character. And then let's call small set of character. I'm gonna go through the each word by words. What if word? There's a one property called uppercase. If it is uppercase, we will insert into the upper of the capital set. If not, that goes to small character set. And then what we need to do is we need to convert all the character in the upper to the lower set. Let's try to do the barbarian brute force approach first. Let's go upper to lower. capital.map. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna convert the character into lowercase. I think I can save the memory here, and then I convert that back into the set. So that began the uppercase or began the lowercase. So we have technically two lowercase in here. So what I can simply return is, let's go about to lower, have intersection of lowercase, let's go small, and we just return the count. Let's check it's resolve everything in. Okay, what did I do wrong? As always, this should be the var. I think I have resolved most of it, and that it will be the O of n. Yeah, I don't know why it beats like 100% in here. O of n for both memory and O of n for both time complexity. What I can think in one thing is, instead of like changing the capital into the smaller case, I can tweak here, or to the lower case. But let's check what I need to do in here also. And then I need to convert it back into the character, of course, because to lowercase only available on the string. Okay, then we don't need that anymore. And I can just check the capital, and that could save us a lot. Let's try to submit. Let's check together how much it increased. Oh, yeah, it's even increased the usage. Let's check the analytics. I'm pretty sure that is O of n for the time complexity and O of 1 for the space complexity, because we don't use any other new data structure in here. Alright, hope you guys enjoy my daily Leetcode problem, and then see you tomorrow. Bye.